Here I have Sony Xperia 10 Plus, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all apps, then pick the settings, which are here, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and select System. Now you have to open the advanced options and then go to Reset Options. And finally, just pick Reset App Preferences, so the second option. And now you have to be aware that this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and also any permission restrictions. And you will not lose any app data. If you truly want to do it, just tap on Reset Apps. And that's it. Your app preferences have been reset. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.